Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Varonis for data security, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Varonis dashboard through your web browser. Log in using your administrator credentials. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, noting the main navigation features. To start, click on the Data Security tab located in the main menu. Select Data Classification to identify sensitive information within your organization. Run a data classification job by choosing specific folders or data types to scan. Once the job is initiated, review the progress in the dashboard. After completion, analyze the classification report to understand data sensitivity levels. Next, navigate to the Alerts section to set up data monitoring. Create alerts for critical changes, such as file access or permission modifications. Select the data sources you wish to monitor for unusual activity. Define the thresholds for alerts to ensure relevance. Proceed to the User Behavior Analytics section to identify abnormal user activities. Utilize machine learning capabilities to profile normal user behavior. Review any anomalies highlighted by the system. Adjust user access levels based on the insights gathered from analytics. Explore the data access feature to manage permissions for sensitive data. Set up role-based access controls according to departmental needs. Review and audit current permissions to ensure compliance with security policies. Use the Reports feature to generate insights on data usage and access patterns. Schedule regular reports to maintain ongoing visibility over data security. Finally, implement a response strategy for any alerts generated by the system. Regularly update your configurations based on evolving data security needs. Monitor the Varonis dashboard continuously to stay informed about your organization's data security posture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.